2013 Ford F-150 Coyote 5.0. He had it done somewhere else. They did true duals for him, but it's leaking and it doesn't have the exhaust Addicts touch. So we're gonna change it up for him and give him some nice deep tone out of it. I'm gonna let you guys hear what it sounds like before. It's got a bunch of exhaust leaks too. We're gonna fix them. Go ahead. Yeah, you see that pop? He hates it. Again. Here you go, again. You guys can see with the small tips, it's clapping a lot. Again. It just sounds really, really bad. So we're gonna get it fixed up for him. Stay tuned. All right, guys. So this is what was done to it. So it's got factory cats up here on each side. But if you look at the tops of these, none of these tops are welded. They did pretty good on the welding on the bottom side. But the tops of these, they're all leaking. Mixed. That's that noise. Can you guys make that noise? Juan did. Jared? No? He's like, no, I'm not going to even ask him. He'll probably kill me. He's not in the mood today. Anyways, so we're going to cut it off this midsection and fix it. And we're going to put in two NTR 250s right there. Here they are. That's the box for them. They're made by Netami NTR 250s, 2.5. They're race mufflers. And then we're going to also add an X pipe there. I'm going to cut this joint out and add an X pipe. Part number SXP4. There'll be a link in the description for all of this stuff. And then we're going to finish it off because he's got really small tips. We're going to take them off and install our signature 5-inch tips, the rolled. There'll be a link in the description. And all these, you guys can find them at our website at exhaustaddicts.com. And there's merch up there too, guys. So make sure you guys check us out. All right, guys, 2015 Ford F-150 FX4 lifted, all white, whited out. Instead of all murdered out, all whited out. Everything's white on it, painted. Bumpers, lights, mirrors, rear lights. I don't know why he didn't paint the tires white. I wouldn't. Nah, they don't look good. Okay, these look like that a lot better, especially with the tires. Anyways, let me show you guys what we've done. Factory converter, true dual. We didn't do this part, but we fixed this part from here. We cut out all the wells that were leaking and fixed them. And then added an X pipe in because he hated the clap. So there's the X pipe right there. SXP4, part number, True Flow X pipe. Then we added two NTR Pro Series, part number NTR 250 by Netami, race mufflers. There'll be a link in the description for them also. Then we left his tailpipes alone and then added our signature 5-inch by 18 rolled tips. Part numbers right here. There'll be a link in the description for them also. As you guys can see right there and right there. And there they are out the back. Came out really clean, really nice out the back. Look at that. Much nicer setup. And then you got him just chilling in the car. He's been chilling for so long, he turned into bones in this old classic. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're going to let you guys hear. Hope you guys like it. You can tell a difference right away. Much cleaner. All right, give it gas. That's how a truck should sound. So it's still got a little bit, but nothing like where it was. You're gonna see a lot more power too because of the X-Box. Sounds way better. Wow, that tamed it a lot. Give it gas. Right at 110 at peak compared to 121. Much better. You like it? Yeah. Again? I still got a pop at high RPMs, which is not bad. It's a lot cleaner. It's a lot deeper. It's like throatier now. NTR race mufflers. Man, that thing sounds phenomenal. What do you guys think of that sound? I like it. You guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike. That's our phone number if you guys want to ever give us a call. One more. let you guys hear it on the inside. Ford F-150 True Dual with X-Pipe and NTR race mufflers by Netami. Here we go. And finished it off with our 5-inch tips to give it a deeper tone. They had 4-inch tips on it, angle cut. They didn't sound too good. So much cleaner. I love it. Enjoy, guys.